Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Dead by Daylight game for free on PC via the Steam launcher. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So first of all, open Steam, go to store, and in search the store search for Dead by Daylight and then click on Dead by Daylight game. Now scroll down and here you will see play Dead by Daylight, play for free until 22nd June. So if you download this game before 22nd June, then you can play this game until 22 June for free. So click on this play game button and here you can see Dead by Daylight and the file size is 57.91 GB. So click on install, then go to library and here you can see that Dead by Daylight game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope you can also follow the same steps to download Dead by Daylight game for free via the Steam launcher, and this game is free to play until 22 June 2026. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.